This video demonstrates the setup and operation as well as some precautionary things for consideration in order to ensure the proper functioning of our high-pressure Wick FT200 4B floating pump. We need to select a suitable water source. Important factors include sufficient water supply, depth, and whether or not the bottom contains mud, sand, or small stones that could enter the screen and damage the pump end. There should be at least 5 inches or 13 centimeters of water depth. It is important to use a thread protector or adapter to protect the discharge port threads of the pump. Here we are using a 1.5 inch or 38 millimeter NPSH to quick connect adapter. Next, we'll check the oil and gas and add as necessary. This is a 4-stroke engine, therefore the oil and gas are not mixed. We should use a high-quality gasoline. Refer to the engine operating manual for the type of oil to use and checking and filling instructions. An important step when operating our 4.7-liter fuel tank model is that it is necessary to fully open the air vent counterclockwise on the fuel cap. Note that our 9.5-liter model has a built-in air ventilation, therefore it does not have a vent on its fuel cap. A tether rope or cord may be necessary in certain situations in order to secure the pump from movement, or especially if on a lake whereby a quick connect hose might come loose and result in a runaway pump. The pump operator should always wear ear protection. Before starting the pump, remove any nearby debris from the water and connect the discharge hose. Close the hose nozzle or ensure someone is attending to the nozzle. Both models of this pump are equipped with a fuel shutoff. Therefore, before starting, ensure that this fuel shutoff lever is set to the open position. Place the ignition switch to the on position and adjust the throttle to 1/4 open. Pull the starter grip slowly until resistance is felt. Then pull it upwards firmly and quickly. Note that this pump has a ready start starting system, therefore no choke or fuel priming is required. When the engine is running smoothly, adjust the throttle to maximum and carefully place the unit in water using the carrying handles as demonstrated. Ideally, the pump should be at a sufficient distance from the shoreline to prevent the hose from kinking, similar to what you see here. When ready to remove the pump or for refueling, slowly bring the pump to shore pulling on the discharge hose and set the pump on the shore as demonstrated. Then set the on-off switch to the off position. Should you be adding fuel, allow the pump to cool down. When ready to transport the pump or for storage, position the fuel shutoff lever to the closed position. The pump is equipped with an intake screen to prevent debris from entering the pump end, and it is held into place with 4 screws. Should the screen get plugged with debris, it will restrict or prevent water from entering the pump and cause the engine to over-rev. Depending on your location, this may need to be inspected from time to time. A key feature of this pump is that removing the screen provides direct access to the pump end, allowing for quick and easy maintenance in the field. Refer to our pump operating manual for detailed information on all the various steps covered in this video and for troubleshooting and maintenance of the pump.